I'm back with another video. Stop laughing. Alright, I'm frying some chicken. Okay, first, I already cut up the chicken in strips or whatever. Boneless, breast, and skinless. And always wash your chicken and your pork. I use like a little bit of vinegar and cold water. And we're just gonna wash the chicken really good because you don't want to get sick. After you clean your meat, I'm gonna put milk to cover my chicken. I do not like buttermilk, so that's why I'm using regular milk. You don't really need a lot. Then I'll be back. Mommy, where's your stand? Okay, stop. Okay, now I take my all-purpose flour and I pour it on this plate. It's just something I do. I don't know how much I use. I just pour it on there.
Get out of my spot.
Then I take my seasonings and I season my flour. And I need more seasoning salt.
Fuck!
And that is my husband streaming right now. Go check out his channel, Lost Soul Gaming. He is streaming and acting a real monkey.
No, like on some serious shit right now. Whoever does this, you lick anuses, like you lick that hair off.
Alright, I just opened up some more seasoned salt.
You trying to lick that anus crack? Why is it?
And I'll take a fork and I'll mix it. I'm gonna add more seasoning.
Bro, again, dude. Where the fuck did AI players become snipers, bro? It's not the last one, it's the next one, motherfucker.
I'm sorry about my husband. He is really in there tripping.
Yeah. 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 Okay, no, for real, right now. Whoever dies this time has went the Bruce Jenner route or went full blown cut their motherfucking dick off and shoved it in the ass.
And this is how I fry my chicken. Okay.
You wanted to be Bruce. I want to be Bruce when I grow up.
Okay, so I had my oil set on 7 for about 10 minutes and I turned it down to 5. So here, let me see if it's ready. Take a look. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me just try to stick this up. I'm gonna take some of our chicken and dump it in our seasoned rice.
Stay alive, Junior.
Dump it in the milk again. And just drop it in there. It takes about 10 minutes for a breast to cook. So.
Alright, so,
Okay, I want to let you know is no. Some pieces are bigger than other pieces, which are going to take a little bit longer than 10 minutes. Like this one will be done in about 10 minutes. This one might be like 15, 18 minutes. Okay, so I'm on my last batch of chicken. This is what I got. Some of the Cookie Monster been in here. She done took one. If you ever want to get some good bread, she done already took one. But if you want some good bread, some potato bread, oh my God, try it. It is so good. But I'm gonna make my husband sandwich now. And he likes mayo, and I like Miracle Whip on my sandwiches. So let me see if I can sit this down so y'all can see me making it. All right, I'm trying to make his sandwich. I think I should put more. I'm gonna put a little more. Some salt and pepper.
oh shit, motherfucker, I just got shocked out of the world, bro. Alright,
A lot of pepper. Shut up. He likes it.
Tomato. Gross.
Stop it. A good sandwich. Should I put another piece of meat on
I know for him, yeah. And for whoever else likes it, but not for me. I just like mine regular. Lettuce and mayonnaise.
And his french fries.
who died? Agent ULP was killed. What the hell?
These fries hot.
I look so different without my beard.
You want ketchup? You made it to the end of this video. Let me know what kind of chicken sandwiches you like, where you like them from, if you like making them at home. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.